Good, y'all? It's your boy Purdue checking in, giving y'all a little leak real quick off my new mixtape, Wintertime and Dinner Time. About to get into this shit, man. This shit is called Hate in Their Eyes. Yeah. 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 Hate in their eyes. Yeah, they mad now. Louis everything, I'm in my bag now. LV shades on my eyebrows. Hater, you can cry later, I'ma laugh now. I got 'em mad, yeah, I got 'em mad. This rollie on my arm say I'm living fast. I got 'em mad, yeah, I got 'em mad. Cause shorty on the text telling me how she want it bad. You can't control a hater, gotta let 'em hate. I just do what I do cause I know they can't. Riding in that Porsche, color changing paint. Pull up with your whore, getting brain to see what you think. We ain't broke no more, walking in the bank, ready for war like Master P, don't make me get the tank. So many punches, I should have been a boxer. On that green drinking, no it ain't a monster. Bitches play with my rocket like a launcher. You a grouch in your house, a trash can like Oscar. Getting head on the couch like a mobster. She want a trial for the team to sign up on the roster. All my goons got dreads, no roster. Promise my kids until I'm dead we living proper. Now how can anyone be mad at that? If Drug Problems was the mixtape, you know the album's crack. Yo, I said, now how can anyone be mad at that? If Drug Problems was the mixtape, you know the album crack. Yeah, man. And that's some light shit, man. That's off that new shit, man. Wintertime and Dinner Time. This shit's gonna drop this winter, man. Hard bars, man. I'll let your boy Purdue. 1.